Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about air. So air is important physical environment. It is one of the important physical environment. It is the basis for health and survival. To maintain healthy life, we require pure and clean atmospheric air. So clean and pure atmospheric air is necessary for maintaining the good health. So air also gives life. So air supplies life, it gives oxygen. Human body is cooled by air contact, and with the air we can hearing and smell stimuli also transmitted. Disease agents may also be conveyed through the air. Some of the diseases may transmitted through the contaminated air, and pollution of air by dust, smoke, toxic gases and chemical vapors may happen with this air. So what are the composition of air? Air is mixture of some gases. So this is air is a mechanical mixture of some gases. In these gases, nitrogen will be composed 78.1%, oxygen 20.93%, carbon dioxide 0.03%, and other gases also mixed in the air, that is argon, neon, krypton and helium. So these are all gases will be present in the air. Now air pollution. What is air pollution? Air pollution is the introduction of chemicals, particulate matter or biological materials. So air is the introduction of chemicals, particulate matter or biological materials that cause harm or discomfort to humans, because polluted air will causes definitely harm to or discomfort to the human beings or other living organisms, and also it causes damage to the natural environment, or whatever build the environment will cause damage into the atmosphere. So according to the WHO, an increase of any constituents of the air atmosphere which is harmful to the living beings and their environment is known as air pollution. So air pollution means it is an increase of in any constituents of the atmosphere, that is either carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, whatever it is. So if it is which is harmful to the living beings and their environment, so that is called air pollution. Sources of air pollution. So many sources will be there that will cause pollution to the air. So that is automobiles, that is motor vehicles that will release contaminated gases or pollute. It will make pollution to the air. Industries and domestic sources, tobacco smoke, other causes miscellaneous like pesticides, radioactive fallouts, fertilizer dust, mining activities, mills and plants, those are. And natural sources of air pollution is wind, fungi, bone dust, bacteria. Air pollutants. What are the gases present in the air pollutants? Carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, lead, carbon dioxide, okay, hydrocarbons, cadmium, hydrogen sulfide, ozone, polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbons and particulate matter. These are all air pollutants. Major pollutants will be 5, that is carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, particulate matter and ground level ozone. These are all the major air pollutants. Carbon dioxide. How it looks? Carbon dioxide is colorless and odorless. It produces when carbon does not burn in fossil fuel, and it present in the car exhaust. So it destroys the body of oxygen, so that when the oxygen will be deprived, causes headache, fatigue and impaired vision to the human beings. What sulfur dioxide causes? So how it produces? It produces when the coal and fuel oil are burned. That time sulfur dioxide will be produced, and it is present in the power plant exhaust also. So when it affects, it narrows the airways. When the sulfur dioxide is more, That time it narrows the airways, causing wheezing and shortness of breath, especially in those with patients of asthma. Nitrogen dioxide, so it is a reddish and brown gas. So when nitrogen dioxide is severe, it produces when nitrogen oxide combines with oxygen in the atmosphere. So it is also present in the car exhaust and power plants. So if it results in, it affects the lungs, so that causes wheezing, increase the chance of respiratory infection. Other one is particulate matter. Particulates, these particles of different sizes and structures that are released into the atmosphere. It present in many sources including fossil fuels, dust, smoke, fog. These are all. It can build up in respiratory system. So when it aggravates, when the particulate matter aggravates, heart and lung diseases may occur, and also increase risk of respiratory infection. And the other major pollutant is ground level ozone. So ground level ozone at upper level and ozone shield Earth's from sun's harmful UV rays, and at ground level ozone is harmful pollutants. It is formed from car, power and chemical plant extract. So when ground level ozone is increased, that time it will irritate respiratory system and cause asthma, and also it reduces lung function by inflaming and damaging the lining of the lungs. Next one is other, that is SMOG, smog. So when that is a combination of gases with the water vapor and dust, and also a combination of words, smoke and fog. So it forms when heat and sunlight reacts gases. So it occurs when often with heavy traffic, high temperatures and calm winds, that this will happen. So what are it affects? So first smog is related to, that is deaths in 1973 in London. Total death toll will be 500 people. So it limits visibility, decreases UV radiation. So the total environment will become yellow or black color. We can observe in the cities. It causes respiratory problems and bronchial related deaths. So monitoring of air pollution, how we have to monitor? Some indicators will be there. Those indicators are sulfur dioxide. So concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air we have to monitor, and also smoke or soiling index, grit and dust measurement we have to do, coefficient of haze, that is amount of smoke or aerosol in the air, and also air pollution index, arbitrary index, it takes into the account for one or more pollutants. Monitoring of air in India. Here how we are monitoring? So that is National Air Quality Monitoring Program, sponsored by Central Pollution Control Board, since 1990 has generated this database in major Indian cities, and the trend shows suspended particulate matter exceeds CPCB standards in all cities most of the time throughout the year. So what are the effects of air pollution? Air pollution may cause health aspects, socio-economic aspects and other effects. It will damage all the three things. So in health aspects, immediate effect immediate effect and delay effects will be there. So immediately it causes respiratory system dysfunction, acute bronchitis and suffocation of the lungs. Delayed aspects will be, delayed effects will be chronic bronchitis, lung cancer, emphysema, bronchial asthma and other respiratory allergies. Socio-economical aspects here, destruction of the plants may occur and animal life may disrupt, corrosion of the metals, damage to the buildings, and cost of cleaning may be increased, maintenance may be increased, repairs may be more. It reduces visibility in towns. It can soil and damage the clothes also. Other effects will be greenhouse effect, acid rain, increased UV radiation and global warming. So this is about air pollution. So greenhouse effect. What is greenhouse effect? Greenhouse gases means water vapor, carbon dioxide and methane. So these three gases move in and out of the atmosphere. That is the greenhouse gases. That is carbon dioxide, methane and water vapor. These three elements will move in and out of the atmosphere. So these may trap some of the heat radiated out from the earth that would normally move out into the space. It is naturally and is caused by the earth, carbon and water cycles and the heat from the sun. This is about green effect. Acid rain means rain consists of water droplets that are unusually acidic. Because of atmospheric pollution, rainwater will be in acidic form. So mostly notably the excessive amounts of sulfur and nitrogen released by the cars and industrial process may cause acidic rain. Next, global warming. Here the increase of Earth's average surface temperature will be more, so that greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide emission from burning fossil fuels, these are all will be cause deforestation, which trap that would otherwise escape from the earth. And indoor and outdoor pollutions will be there, that is from tobacco, stove aerosol spray that will causes that will be respiratory particles, and carbon monoxide will be from consumption of equipment, gas heaters. Nitrogen dioxide is produced from gas cookers, cigarettes. Sulfur dioxide from coal combustion. Carbon dioxide is from combustion and respiration. Formaldehyde is from particle board and carpet adhesives, insulations. Other gases will be from solvents, adhesives and aerosol sprays. Ozone will be from electric arcing and UV ray solutions. How we have to prevent the air pollution, that is contamination by dust collection system and scrubber system, and replacement different international action, dilution, legislation. So what we have to do, instead of using pollution released vehicle, we can ride biking and tell the friends and family about how we have to prevent the pollution, and make sure that parents get pollution checks on their cars and ride the bus. Before riding the bus, make sure for pollution checkups. This is about air pollution.